Your fitness journey begins now. This is the moment you've decided to put yourself first, to prioritize your health and well-being. No matter where you're starting from, today marks a fresh chapter. A chance to build strength, confidence, and energy right in the comfort of your own home. Welcome. Today is your first step toward a stronger, healthier you. Every journey starts with a single step, and you've already taken it by showing up. Be proud of yourself for making this commitment. Forget fancy gyms. Your body is all you need. With just your own body weight, you can achieve amazing results, improve your fitness, and feel great. This workout is for everyone, no matter your age or fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or getting back into exercise, you belong here. You don't need special clothes or equipment, just a little space and a positive attitude. Grab a mat or towel if you like, but remember, your determination is what matters most. Go at your own pace, take breaks, and focus on progress, not perfection. Listen to your body and celebrate every small victory along the way. Remember your reason for starting. Hold on to that motivation. Maybe you want more energy, better health, or just to feel good in your own skin. Keep that goal in mind as you move. Every squat and push-up is a step toward your goal. Each rep brings you closer to the results you want, and every effort counts. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. You're not alone. Together, we'll make these next 20 minutes count. So clear some space, put on your favorite music, and get ready to move. Make this time your own. Enjoy it, and let yourself have fun with the process. This is your time. Let's focus on the next 20 minutes together. Take a deep breath, set your intention, and get ready to give it your best. You're investing in your health, and that's the best investment you can make. Every drop of sweat, every moment of effort is a gift to yourself. Ready? Let's kick things off with a warm-up. Let's get your body moving and your energy flowing. This is the start of something amazing. Before we jump in, let's take a few moments to warm up together. Warming up isn't just a routine. It's an important way to prepare your body and mind for movement. A good warm-up gets your blood flowing, gently raises your heart rate, and helps prevent injuries by loosening up your muscles and joints. It also signals to your brain that it's time to focus and get active. Start with a gentle jog on the spot. Keep it light and easy, just waking up your body. You don't need a lot of space, just enough to move comfortably. Let your arms swing naturally at your sides and focus on steady, relaxed breathing. Feel your body start to loosen up with each step. Next, let's do some arm circles. Stretch your arms out to the sides, make small circles forward, then gradually make them bigger. After a few seconds, reverse the direction and circle backward. As you move, notice how your shoulders and upper back begin to loosen up. This helps release any tension you might be carrying. Now, let's wake up your legs with some leg swings. Hold on to a wall or chair for balance if you need to. Swing one leg forward and back in a controlled motion, then switch to the other leg. This gets your hips and legs ready for action. Finally, let's do some gentle torso twists. Stand with your feet apart, hands on your hips, and slowly twist your upper body side to side. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. This wakes up your core and spine, helping you feel more flexible and ready. Remember to keep breathing deeply throughout the warm-up, filling your lungs with air. Just a few minutes of these simple moves can make a big difference in how you feel during your workout. You'll notice your body feels warmer, looser, and more energized. Your muscles should feel more awake, and you might even feel a little more motivated to get moving. Great job. Warming up is a win in itself. Now you're ready to move on to the main workout. Remember, always listen to your body and go at your own pace. Let's do this together. Warm-up's done. You've already set the tone for a great workout, and your body is primed and ready to move. Now, it's time for the main event. The part where you'll really start to feel your energy rise and your muscles wake up. We're focusing on 4 essential bodyweight exercises: squats, push-ups, lunges, and the plank. These are your super moves, the foundation of any strong fitness routine, and you can do them anywhere, anytime. First up, squats. Stand with your feet a bit wider than your hips, toes turned slightly out. Imagine you're about to sit back into a chair. Keep your chest lifted, back straight, and lower down. Push through your heels to rise back up. Feel your legs and glutes working with every rep. Next, push-ups. Start in a strong plank position, hands right under your shoulders. Lower your chest toward the floor, keeping elbows close to your body, then press back up. If you need to, drop to your knees. What matters most is keeping your body in a straight line and moving with control. Third, lunges. Step forward with one leg, lowering your body until both knees are bent at about 90 degrees. Make sure your front knee stays above your ankle, not past your toes. Push back to your starting position and switch legs. Lunges build strength and balance, so take your time. Finally, the plank. Place your forearms on the ground, elbows under shoulders, and extend your legs behind you. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Hold steady, keep your core tight, and don't let your hips sag or pike up. This move fires up your abs and back. Remember, focus on your form, not on how fast you can go. Good technique keeps you safe and gets you stronger, rep by rep. If you need to modify any move, go for it. There's no shame in making an exercise work for your body. Quality always beats quantity. These 4 moves work your entire body, legs, arms, core, and more. They're simple, but incredibly effective for building strength and endurance. Take your time, breathe deeply, and give each rep your best effort. Progress comes from consistency, not perfection. Ready to put all 4 moves together into a powerful circuit? This is where the magic happens, and you'll really challenge yourself. Let's get into the circuit. Set your timer, get in position, and prepare to move with purpose. Remember, you're stronger than you think. Every rep is a step forward, and you're building resilience with every move. Keep your core engaged in every move. This is your powerhouse. Let it support you as you work through the circuit. Let's crush this together. Stay focused, enjoy the process, and most importantly, have fun. You've got this. Let's go. Now, let's turn these moves into a circuit. Do each exercise for 30 seconds, then rest for 15 seconds. Complete all 4, squats, push-ups, lunges, plank for 1 round. Aim for 3 rounds with a longer rest after each. Use a timer to keep you on track. Get ready, round 1 starts now. The circuit is on. Remember to breathe. Exhale on the hard part of each move. Focus on good form, knees behind toes in squats, straight back in push-ups and planks, chest up in lunges. If your form slips, slow down or take a quick break. Listen to your body. Muscle burn is normal, sharp pain is not. Modify moves if you need to. Every rep counts, no matter your level. Keep a positive mindset. You're stronger than you think. Dig deep and finish strong. Think about your goals and how great you'll feel at the end. This is your workout. Own it. Keep moving. Keep breathing. Keep smiling. You're smashing it. Let's finish this together. You did it. The final round is complete. Take a moment to feel proud. You worked hard and finished strong. Now, let's cool down with some stretches. Start with a quad stretch. Stand, pull your heel to your bum, hold, then switch legs. Next, hamstring stretch. Sit, legs straight, reach toward your toes, hold. Chest stretch. Clasp hands behind your back, pull shoulders together, feel the stretch. Back stretch. Lie down, hug knees to chest, gently rock side to side. Hold each stretch for about 20 seconds. Breathe deeply and relax into each stretch. Cooling down helps your body recover and reduces soreness. You've earned this moment. Inhale, exhale, and enjoy the feeling of accomplishment. Fantastic work. Let's wrap it up. You've completed your first home bodyweight workout. Celebrate your effort. You've taken a big step toward a healthier you. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for this workout 3 times a week. Rest days are important for recovery and strength. Schedule your workouts like any important appointment. On tough days, remind yourself how good you feel right now. Even starting with the warm-up can get you going. Progress takes time. Track your journey and celebrate small wins. You'll get stronger, have more energy, and feel amazing. Thank you for letting me guide you today. Keep moving, stay positive, and you'll achieve great things. Well done, superstar.